Pulling dents requires some tools that many folks don't have. So today we're going to remove a large dent by pushing it out from the inside of the door. Here's an up-close shot of what that dent looks like. After you get the door panel taken off on the inside, you're just going to go about banging this thing out. Right in here, through this low spot, and along this body line. There's a reinforcement bar that goes across the middle, so we're going to work on that first. We're not going to worry about this oil canning until the end. Now I'm down on the body line. Here's a close-up shot of what we have so far. The sound you're getting is a little bit of rain on the metal roof. But we're going to work this crease out right now, maybe a little bit down here, and then we're pretty close. I'll be using a long screwdriver like this to pry from the inside and push this out. I know it's a little tough to see, but this is what we have so far. And we're going to use a hammer and dolly and just work out the rest of the highs and lows. Those are just a couple of high spots we're knocking down. There's a reinforcement behind here, so that sort of helps. Helps to hold the panel from bouncing in and out. dolly is being pushed against the low areas and the hammer is hitting the high areas. And we're just getting it close. You don't want to overwork it and end up with an oil canning situation where it pops in and out. Just want to get it close. At this point, we can grind the area clean with a nice sharp 40 grit fiber resin disc on low speed. Once you've taken care of the oil canning and any high spots, you're ready for filler. And this will probably take a couple applications of filler. So this one here will tell us what we need to do with the next one. Before the filler gets too hard, we'll be using a cheese grater to knock it down a bit. And right now I'm just taking the hard edges from spreading the filler. I'm just knocking those down. get those edges knocked down. Sort of get the rest of it. And there's a little bit of a flare right here. And I'm not using a lot of pressure, just letting the tool do the cutting. This is the second application of filler, and we're just addressing any low spots. To get filler straight, it's good to start with a sharp piece of 40 grit sandpaper. And we're not pressing hard, we're letting the paper and the board do the work. And that's pretty good. We'll finish with 80 grit. One thing that can speed up your DA sanding is to use a Bondo Hog, and we just have some old 40 grit on there and quickly knock down these grinder marks before you DA. After a few coats of primer, this panel is ready to be block sanded, primed again, finish sanded, and painted. I hope you enjoyed this video on pushing or bumping dents out from the inside. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.